the end of the sub, the construction. That's the north half. This is Tranquaire. That there is Santa Fe. You can see the end unit windows on this Teton. That is the north side of the sub. The tot lot's looking good. They got that done first. And then here we have Tessa. This is that little community green space in between these imaginary buildings. And then that there where those cars are, that's going to be the street parking, the guest parking. There's like 8 parking spots. And that building right there, back there by the flag, that's that Compass Charter School, which is the street right in front of it's Aviator. So I'm walking through the little community thing. That's the end unit on Tranquaire, and here's the rest of the sub. It's going in faster. You can see some of the development and houses are back there, but it's just open space at this time on the other side of Tessa. Little community walk around here. There's the charter school, and here is the little gray squares on the map, which is parking. And this is the full circle. This is Santa Fe. And Tranquaire. Let's see where. And then Black Cat's on the other side of that. That's where we started. And here we have all these units.